I want to emphasize the significance of your support in this particular area dealing with statistics, Somali population surveys, and houses. Overall, within that arena of statistical generation of statistical numbers for our policy making, programming, and nation building. I have just classified in Somali the kind of support that comes our way as Somalis and the Somali state. Sometimes it is a support that just comes our way without even serious demand from our side. It is a support that addresses and deals with immediate pertaining issues of the day. And then there is a kind of support that would ensure that in the future, we will not be needing more of a support and will be a more self-reliant and self-sufficient country and society. We acknowledge the significance, that's why we have so many line ministries here today. For we understand the importance of having an accurate data. Generation of data and the utilization of data is at the heart of governance. It is paramount for good government. It is paramount for development gains. So we really appreciate, and I hope all the donors would continue supporting the Bureau and the Ministry in providing significant data for policy planning and development. Thank you very much.